Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Vô into hey kanute Antam Mizo Antam ka tharngat ka kansa dona ka hel kan dona kan lo en hawanga an ei lai te engi an ngei dan tu yan tim ti te karon ti lang don ni mo in lo dam le vek ka be sia ka channel te 7k thing to ka lom no to ka inzara ni ya he ka sil char charanga chhan chu silver ngaya sinto I wasura tipui hat le ani min pia khan chu wang plak khatu manin ei to a chu wang tlem na lo par do na na se ka hel kan don thoe no lu to ko mo no ve ra u chu ke ma thar nga ta ni o ka chin nga ta ni hi tui via wang kan lai te kan lo en house lang o ka thil phwa cho pi lo en char char mai ra o hi Antam khan ya I chang lai kha pe pe ta wi la tro kam pa ring kham va kin ai thin mo Antam ka siam piang hin a chang pe khanin hel kan top don ni chu chun chu an du dan ber nia spinach mo tyang spinach te kha tyang ha kan ti po khanin tyang hin du dan che ania mo chu wang chuanin ka du dan chau po khanin engkim kha asiam thei bik chong lo min chu mo no sha thiam mula ni la sang tha khop mai daranga ni to ni chu la sa ve wa ni kan chan zok zok ni o chan char cha ka camera stand ka lo la thalawa ka chho pe to si lo I inu le pa te mizo chu me sem sak ve ro khain ti sa alu chop te ka sam sak thina ma se win chu Antam kang don ni mo tuy tôi nó tục nha lấy về chặt thì cô học cái sách này nha ô tôi đâu cả đấy这次题目下làm ba bộ老虎这样能做个那个这我没有皮肤毛哟tuy tôi tục Antam te lo in nom cho hình to mo Antam ma ni thar wa na mi nge ham bol ka chu tuy tôi tục ni chu shan tu he no ve te mi no pa ida da ati dal tura chang lai do he kun pata par hi chu ati hang ve thung zu se to lak tap kha chu tu yan ti ka rin lo to wa ba ka mai bong sa ka te to thawa chu te so nam bo chu she thawa karin ai kal harni o asya chon no soi ula ko an la te box lo perfect ki ko she thiam lo ai gol dang ka thiam lo ko mi the she lo om chani mi lo she ro o hei khanin chei via I video dang pa siam du wa khanin tlem mai te ka phia ka bola na kan thuk char char ka ha lu to ka mai te hi asang bar m lo she san bar nang khan ni chu shong to ni chu về in chu na ka thok so to mo kha ka lunch break ka live bak lo ka chu video vel ngai to man no ni chu chao fe to ko ni ti kha no sha sa la chu ti chung pon lai a he video ka rong ko lai ka ron te la ka ma ngai chau in tan hi chani ke in pe zo thei box ya shom he ka ti lo kang tran do na ma se kan lai hanin cameraman ko mo do na ka gimbal kha ka church te ba kha in chung am dia kan mo to mani para ka ka min lo kan pa in khen to chang a khavun ti ra camera alang du lo tan ko khan avwan tu ate lo tang ve se am thang ha ti don chak to Antam chi hi ka nei dan chu Indiana ka zin na in ka pi ten pek ve ka hun ya khama sa hang ka the really to all right your day?
The shirt. I like it.
What you doing? I'm videotaping. This one I'm making because they asked me if I cook some vegetables. I mean, Mizo Food. So I was telling them that I want to cook this one for you guys. Just fry it.
Where's your gimbal?
Say hi. Baby, I need
Hi,
when
fam.
I'm say hi. While I'm frying, I want you to help me. So when you go change, you come down so you can help me while I'm frying. Gimbal right now I don't need it because it's a lot.
Alright.
Thank you. Kampa office lo bang cha hi lo ko mo. Kaya ka dati siya sila. Ay ko may sa pagmasya kind of movie pa cha shimshime. Ang pok the cell ni ha. Ôi ha. Mẹ chati tu zong zong la ta kha inom chuan in ka lo biak don chaw nia o. Cho kang cha no. Paro chu classic ka kang hwa lang o. Ti don ready to. Hey, Antam ho kang to do na til. Vegetable oil kam. Hey chu ina point siya sa ve kha nia siya bel pak po ngai chang lo. Hey husband kan pa hian in cameraman atang le kan pa chang kai khop mi. It's okay, ma. Nakina ka nuten kapate how in Antam hiningan bang break down mo. You need something, mom? You can come, mom.
Here's the olive oil if you need it.
I use vegetable oil. It's okay.
That's right.
Where is the lid?
I don't know. I think Scarlett took off with it last night when I dropped it.
Ikang kang.
I'm just when you're done, let me know and I'll sprinkle this on my meatballs.
Mom, you can sprinkle. It's okay. It's not ready.
Okay. It won't take me but a minute. Scarlett, get back.
Here. Marcha kati purun war kha ke ma golden brown color the black nuwa kha ni Antam han tha do na mi zong zong shet sa ni kha se ni pan ton til thar ni bang ni. My god, it's too long. I should have cut it. Some purpose. Is Kanu visible here?
No, every now and
I'm just
again.
afraid the oil will go to mom. That's all I'm afraid. No, I want it to be visible. That's why I'm not sure if my frying pan is enough or no, mom.
It'll shrink right down.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Gonna be so yummy, like the grass.
You want the big frying pan?
Huh?
You want the big frying pan?
Yeah, maybe. Kamu yung pindon, you frying pan of this, well, they will say I'm the worst cook. Thank you. I should have used my brain.
Well, it grew.
Kanu yung frying pan dyan, so meron pe mo siya ko, asyadong cook me.
There you go.
Okay, so instead of salt, si aya, now kan tel don ni chu soya chan chu kan pa te chu gwa han chi ani na taw em awangin. Oh, husband is the best. I love you, baby. Ito camera man lang no. Why you don't love me? Why you keep quiet? Okay, we're gonna add a little bit soya because we want it to be salty, right? Hey, as al kam du vang kanin soya tim kan telang Antam hel kan dik ta kanihi. Do you want to zoom down here? Like on this part. Hey, do you don't look to? Oh, it smells so good. Organic vegetable, ni organic vegetable.
Organic is right.
Yeah.
All organic.
So nakina we gonna show you nakina kanrom hudon chawa I sapchong kanchong zero nga chanchong law sha thamen handing chap box ya. We gonna they're gonna eat and we gonna show you a little bit of them eating and what they think about my cooking. Okay. Nge tuyan tinge tilaw te kha kan zot to ni chuli te kan dinner to nya meatballs vein chu kasiam lai kan lo record man lo kala imbol lo bok ne hang kan ning lu to ka I he ground chicken te a chicken breast kha kan chop kan ti som fe kan ni chu kha asom sign kan le ni chu khang le I taco seasoning kan tia he hemi mi taco seasoning hi mo kan polta a chuanin I garlic powder ning khan chuanin I kan hloma munte te khanin chuanin oven a hang kan da ma han parmesan cheese mo hemi I parmesan cheese powder ang hi kan phulta chon no kan phul le boka chon hi kan cham khania chon carrots nia chon he meatballs dang thau chu kan dinner tur kan ron a chan don ni I mean ring fekro eat this one first so I can video it. Give me your phone. Eat this veggie.
What is that? Grass?
Yeah.
And are you
Yeah.
Oh, my
That is,
battery is
bruh.
dead.
No, like quick one. Baby, don't give me all bullshit stuff. Like,
Story.
hey. My God, I'm eating. An itong. We are, the whole time it's record there.
It's alright, I've been eating.
Ito itong. Oh, chili ne. Meatballs ito hay. How about the Antam? Antam 3 them. 3 them.
8
3 them. Is it 3 them? Is it tasty?
Good. Yum.
Compared to a meatball sa is open to Antam. You don't eat together with vegetarian, right? You will eat later vegetarian.
Yum. Yep.
But I like this one. When she put cream cheese inside.
I didn't
that was
this time.
So good.
I was going to, but it takes too long.
But do really like.
It's good. Look, I clean my.
We're gonna eat all. Imagine.
Nice hot sauce.
Hot
Yum.
sauce. May kanu hot sauce niya duto pa. Chan kay ma hot sauce ka to kay asaw chep to. Kan ay do ang lovek mo. Ha.
Carrot.
Let me eat carrot. Take and carrots there.
Yum.
Palaw ni Charcha sira.
Love our
Salute
organic grass.
Antram. Say antram.
Antrim. Yummy.
Antram atui to.
It's beautiful.
Antram
Antrim.
atui
A twee.
lutok.
You took.
Atui lutok means very yummy.
Yummy.
It's trouble because there's so little.
I like these pieces of garlic.
Yeah, it's so good. Purun far.
Pulling far.
Like tak.
Like that.
He.
Here.
Tui.
Twee.
Katya.
Cut here.
Kapal. Like him to can eat it. Tell daddy not to eat the stem.
Don't eat the stems, babe.
Don't eat the stem, daddy.
I didn't hear you.
Don't eat the stem.
Well, I already ate it.
Em việc quăng xuống xuống để các bạn lâu vậy phải cho các bạn cho ta thu về.
That makes great dental floss.
Meatballs are done.
Yummy.
It's so much flour.
Where?
Blooming, you see?
It's beautiful.
I'm not lutok.
Looked up. Oh, yum.
Oh, I'm drink like this. There's no orange? Orange, oh ma'am. Sorry, but I know John like this one.
Oh, there's tons more. I got more. Give it. She can have it.
Orange.
There's.
No. Ah, yeah.
It's right there.
Baby! Leave it! Leave it! No need nothing. I got something else here. I didn't know.
Yeah, it's right there on the floor. Have them reach
Khawp
down and
pa.
grab one.
Ito na lang ako sa.
Down there on the floor.
In a cup?
No.
You want it in a
Sure.
can?
Yeah. You're a smart ass. No. No, khawp.
Hey, let's go fishing.
Can you no do like this? Then Sangha.
Sangha.
Manangu.
Sangha.
Manang.
Mang.
Manangu. That means let's go fishing. Kanuin. Sangha man naturo at angin.
Playing with our food.
I think that's fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he picked up my favorite ones.
Nice.
Maybe they are so skinny, maybe because I put them so close together.
Oh, they're good.
Tingnan niya sinto doa swabi kan tam hi ya. Akom daw ka pun bang eh. No shit that oh try kam patan na comment do. Oh.
Not soy sauce.
Yeah.
Dip your meatball in it.
Yeah, I was thinking.
Mm.
Don't go baby.
Meatball and that sauce
You're
is
welcome.
really good.
With ice, mom. What a service.
Oh man, Tori,
Kampan inton mi non la
you
ka.
spoiling her ice water.
Sap thai tui niya. This is sap thai tui. Sap thai tui is passion fruit. With
Mmm.
ice felt up. My husband is the best. Sometime.
I told her let's go fishing.
Mom was like, let's go fishing. Who's stealing the meat, boy?
There's lots of them. Help yourself. Mmm. Scarlett, we're eating.
I should have saved my rice today. I throw.
You don't have any more white rice?
No, I'm talking about the rice from yesterday.
You
Mexican?
threw it?
I threw it because I already touched everything and I could not finish.
Oh. There was a lot.
Yeah, that's why, but I threw. Because
Oh, wow.
I already met.
Yeah.
I thought I can eat it because I was so hungry after I.
After she worked. She
Yeah.
doesn't know what it's like to work hard.
And we didn't walk. We didn't eat breakfast too, Mom.
Oh my gosh, you should see my backyard, Tori.
You
They
see
cut
that?
that
Was-
whole tree down.
Really?
Not what I wanted.
Yeah, just that.
I walked out there and oh my god, the whole tree's gone. Everything.
Wow.
The whole backyard's open.
Daddy cut from the top down.
All the way to the bottom.
But Mom, they have a lot of thorns.
I know.
It's hard. And I have to take it out from
No.
garage.
You can see over the fence. You can see everything.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. You have some more of that green there? Help yourself.
When you go in Mizoram, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be full of like leaves.
Why?
But mine
Why
is-
does your? Oh, because it's
I think because I
creamy.
put them all together,
Mm-hmm.
I should have separate them.
Hey, it's still good. What? Mmm.
Those I separate has.
Try that sauce on it. Makes them amazing.
Thank you.
Tôi khóc mình. Anh sắp trong cái rôn trong giấy thì không know sẽ thèm đâu. You know what? You said Lao A,
The way
Veru,
the room
Kanso,
consult.
he.
Here.
I already told them how to make this meatball.
Okay.
But how long they have to bake?
An hour. At
Dark
350.
Darka can bake to niya in the oven cut 315 sedang.
Yeah. I want that little one. Finish up my sauce. Probably should have another couple carrots.
Maybe is it taste weird?
Did you
or-
eat carrots yet, Tori?
No, it tastes like garlic and soy sauce.
Eat carrots. Eat carrots, babe. Mmm.
Is it bitter? A little bit bitter, right?
No, no bitter. Not to me. Is it bitter to you?
Oh,
I wanna find
just like soy sauce.
this one for baby. Baby here, big one.
Mm.
You can eat the whole. It's big leaf. I look for you.
Thank you.
I don't even remember how much I ate, but I ate.
Mm.
So good.
We're eating like animals.
Kanuin say in me the ramsa
Ramsa.
ang chin
I'm ching.
kan a
And they
kan.
come here.
I didn't even say. Kanuin ramsang may kan a that nita.
Mm.
Eat this one. It's soft. Ito. You eat the soft part, right? I think they're skinny because of.
Maybe their first time.
Yeah, maybe. No, perfect. Oh, it's so good. Spicy. Burning my
Hot.
tongue.
Makes the nose run.
I'm gonna pause it. I don't know why I'm so dumb because
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Yum. Bloom. Where your heart is. I just ate it.
a flour.
I did. I ate a flower too. Look, there's a flower.
Kampay na ime ka Antam ka atui tiem pa atui tiem atuyem
Talk.
atuyem atuy til tuwa tok thailaw ni atui tiem soiro imol mi
Can't talk with his mouth full.
one more bite. He's so funny. One more bite.
It's good.
닭독 하하하하 Antam tok. They say that every time I speak Mizo, it seems so hard for them. Like, yeah. I think it may be because we don't talk all the time in Mizo. Like, you know, I feel so hard. The words is not coming when I'm wanna talk. I swear. And I'm not good in English either, so where am I supposed to stay? I don't know. Mizo tiambok lo sap to tiambok lo chui ha trong ve tur pok ani don lo. Mizo strong. This is soft one more. With lots of leaves. Kampakan peve so kampakan atui to shop. If you go Mizoram, my mother will feed you and Tori will not get up from the table. Tori he Mizoram as in na jang kan no in a tour pena sa don to mo tau to rom to lang. Remember my mom said to you, if you come to Mizoram, I will be your assistant and take you around.
That's right.
My mom can carry you in the bike in Bora. Will you go in the bike?
Who, me?
Yeah. Mom will carry you, not a cycle one, like a bike one.
Oh, I like a cycle.
Like scooty. In Mizoram, many people who live in US don't know how to drive because Mizoram is like a mountain, so the road is like that. People scared to drive.
I'm used to it. I lived in Nevada.
Is it
Our
mountain?
roads were skinny and high.
And they asked
Sorry,
me,
there's one meatball left. It's for
they
you.
asked me, did your family ever feel like wanna come to Mizoram?
Oh yeah.
I do.
Actually, I know they do, but
And I'd love to eat with my
husband.
hands. It's pretty cool. And I don't get my paw slapped.
Yeah, if we don't finish tomorrow, I will eat with rice and some leftover too, because I really want to eat with rice and put rice on here with chili. Tôi đọc thằng box there. Okay, Mom, let's do Biden. Sorry.
I'm done.
Let's do Biden.
Do what?
Kan A dấu tỏa, kan bye Biden cho. Mom, you can say in Mizo, whatever I said, you can repeat after me, okay? Jess and Tori,
Jess and Tori,
Chanel,
Chanel,
in-law, subscribe.
and Lo subscribe.
Avangin,
Ivangin,
Kanloma,
Kanloma,
Low,
Lo,
share.
Share,
Zero,
Zero,
kain huli.
Name Huay.
Don.
Do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Woo!